Thank you everyone for joining in today. My name is Sunny. I'm going to be walking you through to the direct-to-consumer booth. We're super excited to showcase our scalable front-end and interactive technologies that we're showcasing specifically at IBC. Without further ado, let's get started and get you onboarded to our real-time video feature that we're launching with IBS. It's going to enable less than 300 milliseconds of latency, enabling use cases like betting, auctions, or e-commerce shopping. If you're interested in how it looks and what the latency looks like, let's have a quick look. On the screen, you'll see me waving my hand, and let's kind of look at how long it takes before I can get that acknowledged. As you will notice, it's less than 300 milliseconds, making it a perfect choice for all your interactive and real-time use cases. With that, let's get into understanding how we're enabling other low latency use cases with interactive video services, low latency HLS. This brings together the best of UHD link, which you can take to any of your existing stadiums, venues, and it's a device that you can carry in a backpack, plug in, and start contributing to cloud. You can build scalable workflows either using Link into Media Connect into Media Live Media Package, or you could have the flexibility of getting that feed out to an interactive video service to again enable some of those 3 to 5 second low latency use cases. Next up, we'll have a look at how you can enable monetization within your video experiences. We're really excited to showcase new ad formats that can be used that we're dubbing as non-intrusive ad formats. These can live within your file-based content. We will pre-process your content, we'll identify opportunities where there are flat surfaces to place in brand recognitions. These could be a Coke can that can get replaced, or it could be your lower thirds, or what you see here, these are squeeze backs that can be now implemented, enabling and opening up new ad inventory for your customers and your buyers. We're also excited to talk about client-side overlays. As part of the D2C booth this time around, we had a new product launch with MediaTailor, enabling for live workflows where you can enable lower thirds in an ongoing game using signals that are coming upstream from master control. These are additional signaling that are added to your SCUDdy 35 markers to have actionable data on your client side to bring in these overlays. And we're super excited to have these as part of the show as well. Jumping back into our overall experience, let's have a look at how we're enabling scalable micro frontends. The application that you see here is built using all native technologies, and we're breaking the entire application into smaller pieces to enable your dev teams to move at a faster clip, as well as have independence and not have so much of tie-in between two teams creating dependencies. And as you would notice, the entire application is not only just available on the web experience, but we also have native applications that are available to you and built with technologies like AWS Amplify, as well as Fargate for the server-side rendered application. We're using our scalable delivery network CloudFront for caching, as well as S3 for saving all the assets. And we're building the API layer with our serverless technologies like API Gateway. We're leveraging Fargate underneath the hood. We'll also have Lambda powering the APIs, and we have Dynamo as the database of choice. And you will notice from a developer experience perspective, we're also bringing in code repos, as well as your build pipelines, all within a managed offering, and it's aligned to each micro front end, which is the front end and the back end together as one complete application within the overall shell. And we're super excited to showcase this for our builder personas. We're also interested in showcasing our personalized application. It enables to help reduce churn, enable better engagement for all experiences, whether it be SVOD, AVOD, or for other long-form content types. Personalized is very easy to implement. We have different recipes that are built in. You bring in your application, enable clickstream to send in that real-time data, and then we can start personalizing as you are using the experience. So we'll have two quick looks. We have the recommended for you rail, which is now personalized for the logged in customer. But as I click through to an individual detail page, you'll notice I have more like this, which has now specifically been created as the user was watching, was clicking on my link, was watching a particular piece of content. More like this is specifically being created as the user is within the experience. We're making it easier also for our product owners and marketing analysts to enable clickstream analytics within our service offering. And we're launching the use of serverless analytics or serverless clickstream as part of IBC, which we're super excited to have. It's a complete solution that's built to drive insights, to understand retention trends, to understand user engagement trends within our video applications without having to go through 6 or 8 months of implementation or manage a backend infrastructure. It's a cost-efficient way for your services to implement clickstream and tie those into other data points like your engineering operations data coming in from a quality of service data. And it's available all within one click, and it's a deployable solution currently available on AWS solution guidance pages. What we're also really excited about is ability to create real-time metrics and not just aggregated data dashboards using QuickSight. We're giving product owners the power and the insight that they need to improve their products, whether it be integrating A and B tests as part of the overall D2C experience, or it's about understanding where are we noticing hot spots where application users are falling off. So we're excited to showcase this as part of IBC as well. With that, I want to switch gears over to our partners. We have a couple of very, very big announcements that are coming out at IBC this time around. We're super excited to partner with TV Coins. If you are thinking of launching an end-to-end OTT service and you don't want to pay upfront, TV Coins is coming up in an innovative business model to have rev share as they launch your service. This means zero upfront cost, get your content in their platform, and then launch your OTT service. You pay as you make money, and it's an excellent way to monetize your catalog that you already have. They have the entire end-to-end offering, including the video pipeline, as well as the applications, the CMS, and the integration setup with ad servers to monetize your content. We have Native Waves, who's showcasing a second screen solution, and we're also super excited to have them. It reduces the friction between having broadcast experiences and your mobile experiences, where you're watching a broadcast feed that may be a few seconds ahead. You can now create a synchronized experience by taking your second screen closer to the speaker, and it will automatically sync on your mobile so that you're able to watch the stream exactly at the same time, enabling that seamless switch between second screen and your broadcast feed, which is a game changer from our perspective. We're excited to have partners like Kling and Evergent that are helping with subscriber lifecycle management and increasing the overall customer lifetime value within your applications and service offerings. Kling is offering a seamless onboarding as well as helping do predictive churn mitigation for your customer lifecycle journeys to improve the overall lifecycle value for your customers. Let's have a look at Evergent. Evergent is offering customer onboarding and acquisition workflows that will help reduce the churn as well as the fatigue that comes with enabling offers. And we have here an enhanced acquisition workflow that you can implement with Evergent. We're excited to have both partners. Get in touch with the AWS team if you have any questions related to our D2C offerings and our partners. We'd love to help you out and help you within your D2C journey. Thank you for tuning in.